Let's go to Juneteenth.
Not even Steve. Oh, they taking the register. No! I got the register. I took the register. This nigga took the register. He stole the cash register. He stole it.
These your peoples, though. Willie, they just kids. Yeah. Uh-huh. These your peoples, though. These are the young black men who's made the black women be aggressive, be masculine. Because that's what our homeboy Dr. Umar gonna say in the future. The reason that these women now is because of the young boy's behavior, and it's their fault. The women wouldn't be in a McDonald's acting this way if the men would stand up in the community. Yeah. Because these is boys and girls. They ain't just boys. How do you steal the cash register out of McDonald's? And this little silly bitch is gonna kick the damn glass with the good cookies in it. Can't stand you. But also, I'm pretty sure no one got arrested. They was assaulting people. Mm-hmm.
Not even Steve. Oh, they taking the register. No! I got the register. I took the register. This nigga took the register. He stole the cash register. He stole it.
Say Patricia fine is out here in these streets. They don't know what they doing. They don't understand the consequences and the repercussions behind their actions. No, but they can become parents. They don't know what they're doing. They don't know right here with the adults behind the counter and with them throwing objects that's wrong. They don't understand that that's wrong. No. Not at all. Say his charges is gonna be more than theirs. Yep, because that's robbery. Yeah, they just kids. Say fingerprints on everything. Yeah, for real though. So I don't shop at McDonald's. Them your kids though. Them y'all churn. These is the ones that Dr. Umar say that we need to be in the community mentoring. You mean the killers? You mean the shooters? You mean the robbers? You mean the assaulters? You mean the ones with the skinny jeans on who think shit funny? So you want us to put our life on the line for Patricia churn? Is that what you telling us, doctor?